Eli Lili, Eli Lili. Unless you were in health tech.
One eternity later.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to the investment side of the channel. So today is the 1st of December and it's time for the first update of the 10k portfolio challenge, where I intend to grow this portfolio to 20k by 2026. So you can watch the video here if you have not, which explains the reason of why I'm starting the portfolio. So anyway, how is everybody? Did you all survive the crash and did you sell any of your stocks? So if you own stocks related to AI or the quantum computing space, you would have been absolutely wrecked during the last 3 to 4 weeks of the market. So instead of we went
Down.
And I think I got more than what I bargained for as well. And I'm prepared for it to go down 50-80%. So over the past 3 to 4 weeks, right, if you own stocks in the quantum computing space like RGTI, IonQ, QBTS, you would have seen a drop of at least 40%. And if you bought stocks in the Bitcoin mining or high power computing space, you've also seen your stocks drop around 30 to 40%, such as iren. Or even if you own an ETF, WGMI, you would also have seen your portfolio drop by 25%. So even the golden boy of the market, Nvidia, has also dropped 15% over the last 3 to 4 weeks. Unless you're in healthcare stocks like Eli Lilly and HCA Healthcare, or tech stocks like Google and Apple, which are not exposed to the Nvidia or AI bubble scare, you would have been absolutely wrecked. So the Fear and Greed Index has also reached a low of 7 on 20th November 2025, which indicates extreme fear in the market. So if you have not sold until now, or you have just started investing, congrats, you have just survived your first 40 to 50% drop, which is close to the level of fear near the April 2025 crash. So some portfolio updates for the 10k portfolio. So currently, the 10k portfolio only has 3 items, which is IRE, the 2 times leverage on iren, and Ondo and Link, which are just the 2 cryptocurrencies which I bought earlier on. So some of the major changes from the last portfolio update, right, was that DFDV that I took as a trade got stopped out, which honestly, on hindsight, was a good move, as DFDV have continued to drop to around $6.45, which I would have taken another big 50 to 60% hit if I didn't cut losses at around $11. So I also took some small wins on dust, which is a short on gold, as I really didn't want to fight against the trend, as gold seems like it really wants to surge higher, and indeed it did surge higher after I sold. So during the drop, right, I also actually swap out most of my stocks into higher conviction stocks like IRE or iren, and actually I also swapped majority of my iren shares into IRE to hopefully capture the bounce when it happens. But that being said, right, being fully allocated into IRE means the portfolio tends to swing very wildly, and indeed the portfolio actually took a big hit over the last couple of weeks and is currently down like around 50%. So this is the current portfolio value as of 2nd December, and sadly I'm now 315% away from hitting my target of 20k within the next year. So I just wanted to also end off this video that it was never easy to make a multi-bagger in the stock market. So one such example would be Palantir, which has risen over 1600% since IPO in 2020. But did you know how many crashes Palantir investors had to tahan or go through during these past 5 years? And do you think you could have held the stock all the way? So to me, right, do you want to buy when everybody is scared, or do you buy when everybody is FOMOing and happy? So if the market gives you a Black Friday sale or the Cyber Monday deal, will you dare to take it? So let's continue to see how this pans out. Comment down below if you have any stocks that you are looking at, and let's discuss and share the ideas below. So see you in the kopitiam when we retire together, and like usual, stay safe out there and remember to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.